It is the Chic Mortgage Millennial, and I am coming to you with another video today. I want to thank everybody for watching my first video, or if you have not, please make sure that you watch it because we're going to be talking about some mortgage things. I just want to come and educate you all here and there about the process of buying a house, or if there's some news similar to last video, I want to talk about that as well so we can be smart homeowners. All right, so as I always say, being a homeowner is a lifestyle change. A lot of times people ask me, well, how much money do I need? I have $500, can I get a house? And I think a lot of people do not know, like, how much money do I need to save if I want to buy a house? Mortgage companies, they have programs that fall under these certain categories. If I'm explaining that correctly, I'm just trying to break it down into layman's terms because I know it can get very complicated. So normally you're going to have either an FHA loan, a VA loan, USDA loan. All of those are government loans. Then you have conventional loans. So most of the time when you're a first-time homeowner, you may go the route of a government loan. A lot of people do FHA loans. The qualifications, they're a little bit more flexible, not really looking for excellent credit. FHA loans, they are going to be your loans for people who are interested in possibly buying their first home, first-time home buyers, or if you're someone who maybe doesn't currently own a primary residence, you may go the route of an FHA loan. It's a government loan. Another type of loan is going to be your VA loans. So VA loans, those are for veterans. Veterans, guess what? They can finance up to 100% of their mortgage. So that means that they don't have to put down a down payment. But of course, there's different rules, guidelines when it comes to qualifications. Next loan is going to be your USDA loan. Now, this is going to be for rural areas. Rural. Terrible. I'm from the South, as you can see. So that means that the house that you're buying has to qualify for a USDA loan. And because it is in a rural area, that loan can be financed up to 100%. Now, FHA loans, let's go back to FHA loans. Those loans, they normally require a 3.5% down payment. So basically what that means is, let's say you're getting a $250,000 loan, then you're going to calculate, okay, what is 3.5% of $250,000? You're going to need down payments plus closing costs, and closing costs, that is going to vary. So that's something that you can speak with your lender. But that is what the underwriters is going to be looking for you to have in your savings account or in your retirement account, wherever you choose to get that money from. Another good thing about FHA loans is that your down payment can actually be a gift. So if you decide to go that route, then you do have to verify who's giving the gift, where those funds came from, because of course, at all times we're trying to fight money laundering and want to make sure that all money is clean money. There are so many different ways that you can actually get into a home, but these are just the basics. It is always good to have reserves. You want to have even 6 months cash reserves, because if there's a situation like this pandemic, any lender is going to want to make sure that you are able to continue to make your mortgage payments if something happens. So it's always important to save for approval. But as far as money that you are going to be spending, you want to make sure that you know the loan program that you're possibly going to be considering. That way you can have a realistic expectation of what to save. Now, let's get into down payment assistance programs, because I know that a lot of you all ask, well, I heard about this down payment assistance program. I heard about this down payment assistance program. So the main thing that I feel like you all should know first is down payment assistance programs. They are, pretty much it's in the term.
Down payment assistance.
They are assisting you with your down payment. However, this is money that you have to pay back, because nothing in life is free, as we know. But at least you have the opportunity, if you do not have a lot of money saved up, you can still become a home buyer if you qualify for a down payment assistance program. Now, with these down payment assistance programs, one major thing is credit. So again, for an FHA loan, usually you can get approved, sometimes even if you have a credit score as low as a 580. So you want to make sure that you speak with your lender because it's going to vary depending on the lender that you go through. A lot of down payment assistance programs are looking for a score of a 640 or sometimes a 660. So you want to make sure that if you know that you're not going to be bringing a lot of funds to the closing table, that you are getting your credit in A1 shape for this program that you're going to be entering. So there's so many programs out there. Make sure that you speak with your lender, or if you're interested in getting more information, feel free to reach out to me about specific programs. Things are always changing, but usually you can get information about down payment assistance programs. If you are a first-time home buyer, there's so many out there. And also, I know we didn't really talk about conventional loans a lot, but conventional loans, that is something that some down payment assistance programs, they help with down payments with those loans as well. So I know this is a lot of terms and a lot of information, so that is why I wanted to keep this video really short. But I wanted to come to you all with just a little bit of information. Let's have this mortgage talk again. So please make sure that you like, subscribe, share my video, like me on YouTube, and make sure you follow my page. Chic Mortgage Millennial, thank you all so much for tuning in. I just wanted to come to you with a quick video about some mortgage information and tips. Reach out to me if you're in Georgia. I'm licensed in Georgia, but I can also do loans in other states as well. So I'm more than happy to help in any way that I can. Stay tuned for more videos. Again, it is the Chic Mortgage Millennial coming to you with a quick video on some mortgage information. Stay clean, wash those hands. Make sure that you are staying inside during this pandemic situation.